TSA, keep your hands at bay. No, pat down between my legs. USA, you have lost your way. When pornographic perverts keep us safe. I flew to San Francisco, war times last month. Ironically, I'm Virgin America, a business traveler with priority boarding, forced to the naked scanner line. I objected, seeking an alternative. The guard said, we cover up your face. Take that or you'll get a thorough pat down. As they scanned me, I wallowed in despair. TSA, keep your hands at bay. No, pat down between my legs. USA, you have lost your way. When pornographic perverts keep us safe. The second time in the security line at SFO's International Terminal, I avoided the first class queue and escaped their naked backroom view. Oh, TSA, keep your hands at bay. No, pat down between my legs. USA, you have lost your way. When pornographic perverts keep us safe. I reserve my pudenda for my husband, and quite uncomfortably once a year for my doctor. Now all of you wearing those repugnant light blue gloves should be ashamed. For they who sacrifice liberty for security deserve neither. With all our intelligence and innovation, you think we'd find a better way. As for me, well, I'll be flying privately with air to air whenever I can, and praying for evolution. But freedom now. TSA, keep your hands at bay. No, pat down between my